Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to set up FivePD for your FiveM server hosted with CQ servers today. Now, this will work for anyone who's not hosted in CQ servers. However, I would recommend, obviously, this tutorial is catered for CQ servers, so it might not work the same way and it might not be as kind of good for that. But before we get into the video, my name is Jack, Managing Director, and today I'm just looking at the FiveM kind of hosting that we offer. As you'll see, the cheapest plans in the market at the moment, depending on location. Again, the prices kind of vary. Just make sure you flip between them, depending on where you need your server to be hosted for ping. Again, great pricing, quality support, and we're happy enough to help through our Discord, things like that, if you need any help or support with your server. Being hosted with ourselves. Now let's dive straight into the video and we'll go ahead and get FivePD installed. Okay guys, so what we're going to do from here is we are going to first of all navigate to the GTA Police mods. I'll leave the link in the description. You're going to press FivePD. We're going to wait for it to load and we'll go to this button here. It says download FivePD. Now as you'll see, it'll load a bunch of cool stuff here. Now it's going to bring up three files right here. So we've got FivePD, we're going to select that at the top. We're then going to scroll down. It's going to say download this file, we'll press download. We're going to select the most recent version after we've agreed. We're going to go for 1.3.1. Press download and it's going to download the file for me. Give it a little second. 2.6, and if we just go ahead here and open file, now you'll see we've got a number of files here. We've got FivePD, some documents at the bottom here we don't need to worry about. We only really care about this and our FivePD.sql. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to show you guys how we're going to get the files into the server and we'll take it from there. Okay guys, so as you'll see, we're now looking at our stopped server here. So it's offline, we need to make sure it's done that. We should have already done that in a couple of steps before, but just to double check. We're then going to go to our file manager. We're going to go to server.cfg. We're going to ensure FivePD. Save the content there. We're going to head back to our container. Now we're going to go, like we do in every other video, we're going to go settings, launch SFTP. It's then going to connect for me. Now, what we are then going to do is we are going to very quickly load the FivePD file, which we have here. Oh, decided I was going to load 50 of them, eh? We're going to keep it as a zip. It's kind of important we do keep it as a zip. We're going to try and get it over. In fact, let's give it a try and see if we can just drag and drop. It's probably going to take a while. Never mind, it's going quicker than I thought. We're going to let it just move over there, and then what this will allow us to do is, this is pretty much just putting the kind of FivePD files in for us to screw around with. I've just noticed something I will need to change in the server.cfg, but we'll fix that in just a moment. Now, as this goes over, in fact we'll go fix that now while this is going over. So it has to be exactly the same as it is. And there, I presume that's it done. So as you'll see, we've got the FivePD folder here now. So in terms of configuration, through the CQ servers panel, nice and quick and easy. What we're going to do, we're going to go to databases. We're going to press new database, and I'm going to call this FivePD. Create our database. What we're then going to do is head over to the CQ servers database manager, which I'll take you to in just a moment, and I'll show you the next part of the setup. Okay, now once we are on our database, which is our database system here, which is db.cq-servers.com, again, we'll provide the link to that for you guys. We can then head to our server and grab the details. So we've got FivePD, So the name of this database is going to be that. We're then going to go in here. We can see it's on this node. So server's going to be node 2. We can take away this in the end, just if you're like me and you hate it. We can then go over here, username, then password is going to be, and there we go. So permanent login. Okay. So as you'll see, we're now editing our database here. We are now going to import the database. So we're going to press import up here. We are then going to choose our file, which what I'm going to do, rather than doing that, I'm going to drag this and execute. Okay, so we can't be doing that, so let's just beforehand drag this on the desktop. We're going to import, select our file, desktop, there we go, execute. There we go, so straight in the server, and that's our database now set up. We are then going to head back over here, go to File Manager, Resources, FivePD, and go to our config.json. We're going to change this up here where it says DB to MySQL. The username we're going to enter in here, so our username is going to be, should probably duplicate this. There's our database. There is our username, our password, and it's just going to be whatever node you're on, so node2.cqserve.com. We're then going to press the save button. If we then go back to console, we press the magic start button, we should see our server start to run in FivePD, hopefully. Come on. And it's now running FivePD. And there we go. And that's us, we're all good to go. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you get any further questions, don't be afraid to hit us up. We're happy enough to help. Always remember, guys, we're going to cqservers.com, FiveM, for your FiveM server hosting. This is how this was all set up. We offer great support for this kind of thing. If you need FivePD set up, we're happy enough to help you do it. And as I've said, very affordable pricing down here. On some of the best CPUs available on the 10900Ks if you're US, or the 9900Ks if you're in the EU. Other than that, guys, have a wonderful day, and don't be afraid to hit us up if you need a hand. Cheers, bye bye.